Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to share media from your Samsung phone to any phone like iPhone or Motorola. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use Quick Share feature where you can easily share photos, videos, and even large files from your S25 Ultra to an iPhone or any other Android phone. So this can be done with a web link or a QR code. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the gallery. Next, we'll go ahead and just open up a picture which you want to share. So for example, this one here. So to share this photo here, I'll go ahead and tap on share. Now at the bottom here, I'll see the quick share option, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on this. Now when I do this, I'll get this option here, QR code or link. So I can go ahead and tap on this. This will now give me a QR code where I can go ahead and scan it using my iPhone or my Android phone. And this will basically give me a link to download. If I don't have a QR code scanner, I can go ahead and use this link where I can just copy the link. I can go ahead and copy this link into a message and send it to anyone who I want to share this photo with. And that person can go ahead and visit this link and he or she will be able to download the photo. So say goodbye to cross-platform sharing headaches, smooth and fast sharing with friends, no matter what phone they use. So sharing just got smarter, no more green bubbles required. So there you go guys, that is how to share media from a Samsung phone to an iPhone or any other Android phone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.